Alright, welcome back. We are once again doing the Python crash course book. We are in chapter 4 and we have finally made it to example 9. So what we're going to be doing in this one is going to be slightly different to the last two, where we're still going to be doing stuff with the list and using range and the values and how to turn them into a comprehensible list like this. So this is everything from 1 to 10 to the third power or cubed. We went over that in the last one. So this time we're going to be using a list comprehension to generate this same list. So what a list comprehension is all of this put into a single line, except for the print. The print still needs to be there. So let's get started. Make a new file, save as. Right, so we can comment out our name and date. No longer merge. So to start the list comprehension, we need to start with a list. So we're just going to call this list cubes. And then instead of having an empty bracket like we had last time, we're actually going to have stuff in this. So we're just going to say value to the power of, and then we're going to say 3. And then so now we include our for statement. So for value in, so our for in, and then this time we bring in the range call. So in this, we do it like normal, where we start at what integer we want to start at. So in this case being 1, and we want to go up to 10. So as we went over before, we bring it up to 11, because when it sees 11, it stops the program. So the final number that it counts will be 10. And so we have this closed bracket. So now when we go to print, we can say print the cubes list, and it'll read this whole thing and print out exactly what we had here. So just like how in this, it is saying this is going to be the range, and for the value, it's going to be giving us, or this is technically the value right here, value to the power of 3. So that's what this is. So times 3, which is the list, we're going to append this right here, which will be reading 1 to here, and then or bringing it up to the exponent of 3, and then inserting it 1 by 1 into here. So that's what this line of code is going to be doing. And if you look at the two and compare them, they more or less look exactly the same. So when we save this code, we come over to our terminal and run it. It gives us the exact same list. So that is how you do a basic list comprehension. This will be seen more in other people's codes. So when you start to look at codes of things with lists, so let's say you have a video game and there's like some kind of score that gets multiplied for a certain action, you might find a list comprehension that just runs it for whatever is in that list. So that's all for this example. If you found this helpful, like it, share it, and if you want, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.